Hey everyone, today we're gonna look at a handy Excel feature, the paste special skip blanks. We'll use a clothing inventory example to see how it works. In column A, we have 8 types of clothes. Column B shows their current stock quantities. In column E, we have some new quantities, but not for all of them. Watch what happens with a regular copy paste from E to E9 to B to B9. It overwrites everything, including blank cells. Now pants, jerseys, and t-shirts have zero quantities, not what we wanted. Let's undo and try paste special skip blanks. Copy E2, E9 again. You can either right-click on B2, choose paste special, then skip blanks, or under the Home tab and the clipboard group, choose paste, then paste special, skip blanks, or use my favorite shortcut, Ctrl-Alt-V. Press them all at the same time. Now see the difference? Jeans, shorts, tank tops, hoodies, and shirt quantity updates, while pants, jersey, and t-shirts keep their original quantities. And there you have it. Paste special skip blanks, perfect for updating specific data without losing other information. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.